Hello, it's Mike Grady from Business Fuel Tools, and I'm answering the question of the week. Okay, so the question we got is, can you make a good income doing affiliate marketing? Well, the answer is yes. You can make a good income doing affiliate marketing. It doesn't require a lot of time and effort if you create content correctly. This answer is about taking it to the next level. I want to talk about the big difference I'm seeing between people actually accomplishing what they want to online and everybody else. This is what separates the 5% of affiliates that actually last the first year. And guess what? It's probably not what you want to hear. It's what you need to hear. It's to provide value. That's just the phrase everybody loves to say because it sounds pretty cool. And I'm not against providing value. The difference I've seen is winners are content creators and losers are solely consumers. The winners know that content is everything. Content builds trust. Content builds authority, and content brings traffic. Content will build your email list. So why does everyone get stuck in the consumer phase then? Well, because the consumer phase is easy. It's easy to hop on Facebook and watch a bunch of live trainings. It's easy to buy a course and go through the whole thing twice. And it's easy to network in Facebook groups. It's oh so much harder to consistently create content that actually provides value. I guess providing value is really important, right? So I have a challenge for you. No, not one of those challenges you have to pay for to be part of. The next time you're tempted to go consume something, instead go create something. Base it around whatever you feel confident in. Make a YouTube video. Create a blog post. Go live on Facebook. Create a mini course. Do something creative. Create something of your own. Will it magically change your business? No. But hopefully it helps you realize that creating content isn't as hard or as scary as you might think. So go ahead and give it a try. And then once you do it a couple times, then systemize it. And then you'll succeed. So I hope this answer helps your business. FYI, Pinterest has 291 monthly active users. As of the first quarter of 2019, Pinterest recorded 291 million active users worldwide. Over 1/3 of Pinterest's current monthly users are in the United States, so there's room for international audiences as well. You don't need to rely on followers or paid advertising. Pinterest is perfect for getting organic traffic. So check out the link the link I provide below for Pinterest for getting organic traffic, and you can also create a lot of really great content for Pinterest.